and good afternoon. This is my hotel room in Vancouver, British Columbia. It's the level and it's absolutely wonderful. Check it out. Okay, so I could call myself a tough critic, but I could say that I really like the colors in this one. Beautiful bedroom and a wonderful living room with a kitchen open overlooking the downtown, which is actually pretty cool. Some people say it's ugly. I think it's beautiful, being a childhood New Yorker, and yes, very nostalgic indeed. This is a downtown view 180 of downtown Vancouver, and we have the sofa bed again. We're coming back to the one bedroom here with the convenient washer and dryer stacked on top of each other with the iron on the side. As well, we have the bathroom, pretty standard, but I liked it. And as well, that guy right there, we have a wonderful closet area, and going outside you can actually see the downtown, kind of the urban sprawl that makes Vancouver. Eateries, pubs, clubs, all sorts of magic happening steps away. There was no shortage of entertainment, eating, everything was open really late too. I loved it. Anyway, here's another sky view. Nelson's Park is in the back, all the way back there, but this is just the skyline here. Beautiful balcony area, looking like one of the typical enclaves of downtown Vancouver. But going inside, we have the fully stocked cabinets. Everything's provided for us. Absolutely fantastic, except for anything in the fridge. We have to go to get some groceries, but that's some pizza. Everything else, and the parking, you have to actually carry your own stuff. But anyway,